up, everybody? Beautiful day. It's got some shit going on today. Taking this damn Bella to Susie. Going camping this weekend. Do some camping and tubing. It's gonna be a good old time. I'm gonna take you guys with. Try to record the whole weekend as much as I can. I'm gonna jump out the window. Oh, baby, you're gonna jump out, baby. Yeah, then I gotta take Rhett to a doctor real quick. He's gotta get a checkup for, starts kindergarten here in a couple weeks, so he's got a lot of running around to do. Gotta get some stuff done. I think we're leaving in about 2 hours, so hopefully I got enough time, so I gotta pack. Yeah, let's go. What do you think? You nervous? No, I'm about to get a couple shots. Three shots. I'd be nervous. You're not scared.
How even 3?
What'd you say, boy?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
Nothing. No. Why is there a dollar on the back of your phone?
Oh, there's money on there. Forgot to put it in the case.
Why is there money in your
It's
phone?
mine when I get back.
I want to see it.
It's mine.
Why is
Getting us some of this rail cream. Get right out in the sun.
Just got that money in there.
Look like a damn, look like a crab cake. Yeah, Rhett pointed it out too.
You look good.
Just heading out. All packed up, looking good.
Looking real good.
Shit packed to the fucking ceiling.
Real God.
Should be a good time. Nice 4-hour drive. The rail. Eating a PD.
Got him.
Derailed. Got sun shining on you. Golden. Just made it out here. I can't even say if it sees us or not. Let me see if it zooms in. Oh yeah, we look good. Just made it to the campsite.
You're blinding me, man.
Gotta set up the tent in the fucking dark. Can't even see the stars.
Well, yeah, you got your flash on.
Really? God damn.
Go get Smith.
Yeah, we made it out here in the tent. Just trying to get a good night's sleep. It's about
Yeah, I wish you quit talking.
about 1 o'clock. Getting up in like 6.5 hours. Ooh, it's gonna be miserable tomorrow. No sleep.
Mitch, you seeing this?
You'll be alright.
What are you doing? Shine it through there. You see him or no? Nope. How good he looks. It's bright as shit. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna go tubing all day tomorrow. Gonna be a great time. Time to get some sleep, King.
For sure.
You got a chick in your hair already? You got a fucking tick or something. Hopefully we get rained on. I'm really hoping for rain.
Wow.
That's good. It's ruined the whole day. This cloud's gotta go. Get us some coffee out here.
We're clearly camping on.
Yeah, we're fucking up.
Mm-mm-mm.
Thanks, Jim.
We're gonna make the coffee. About 5:30.
Looks just like Cinder. Just like him. Forgot about Cinder.
Should get some of these, munchies.
Getting some groceries for lunch. Gotta find something to eat. Don't know what to get. For sure need water though. Yeah. Let's get me some lunch. Deanna Smith looks great.
Would you just switch the tags around?
Yeah.
They work?
They're great. Waterfalls. I'm gonna check out some waterfalls up here. It's gonna be pretty cool. Get some pictures, get some videos.
There's a big one up there too.
You look good.
That was bad.
Where are we at right now?
It is.
God
Smith
Falls.
God
No,
Falls.
just waiting for people who
King
can't
Falls.
be in the river.
King Falls.
I
It's gonna be
mean,
pretty cool.
it's not like it's that hard.
A little chilly out today, honestly. Sun needs to come out. Where's Smith? Of course, Smith doesn't piss in the goddamn bathrooms. He goes in the trees.
You see that old Chevy over there in that house? Look at that car.
That's a house and it might be an electric fence. So
Hey, I thought you guys were gonna piss on the fence.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Don't tell her.
Tell him we gotta go to Bali with him. Be careful, dude.
It's all about living life. Out cold. Made it back from tubing. Started raining on us. Kind of miserable, but
Pretty good and dry here, though.
yeah, those waterfalls are pretty amazing, I have to say. Just wandering, get some firewood. Gonna grill out tonight. Oh man, for laying down all day, I'm beat. My face is beat red.
Yeah,
Tired. Years. You didn't put any sunscreen on your face, did you?
Got
Got him!
I didn't put anything on at all.
Really?
Yeah.
I doused myself. Look at this.
This is beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful night out here in this lake. Freezing cold.
It's not freezing.
Nah, it feels
cold.
good. Check out that. It's a gorgeous view. Notice that I had a got a fucking bow in it.
I just got a hat.
Had a big meal. What do we even eat? What was that, roast? What was it? Them fuckers are goofy.
Got it.
Okay. go sit around the campfire, have a couple more of these.
You got your eyebrows still?
Yeah, he does. He's fine.
Rise and shine, everybody. Last day. Gonna pack our shit up, eat a good breakfast, for head on home. Miserable. Held a shit for 3 days.
You can't be putting that in. Gotta put in every detail, right?
He gets up, I'm fucking constipated out here.
Good. Add it in. Yeah, and then that turtle one.
We're doing some fishing out here. Real good.
Yeah, I woke up at like 8.
I'm better than some hot coffee in the morning though. Wake you up a little bit. Just having a nice breakfast by the fire. And just getting ready to head out. Looking good. Look at this view though. Royal. Just packing up everything. Ready to head out. Got the tents put away. Just a beautiful day. Yeah. Taking a quick break. Railing life out here.
Feels like we're in Iowa again.
Been a beautiful. It's been a beautiful trip. Just get them on there pissing. Had a great time. It's time to go home. This has been too much.